friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn Aura framework, LWC, Apex class trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learn about how to fetch current record based on record ID using Apex class method in LWC. So friends, follow these steps to achieve this scenario. There are three steps in this scenario. Step number 1, step number 2, and step number 3. So in the step number 1, you can see I selected opportunity object. So here we will be display current record of opportunity based on this record ID. So first go to the opportunity object, then go to the next, go to the gear icon, click here, and there is the option edit the page. Edit the page so that we can call the lightning component to the page. So go to the gear icon and edit the page and select your LWC component and drag and drop on the page so that based on the record ID of opportunity, we will be display the current record ID here. So friends, now let me jump to my Salesforce org where we will see live demo scenario. So friends, here you can see I open my component in the Lightning Studio. In the Lightning Studio, I open this is a LWC component, this is a LWC JavaScript file, this is a meta XML file, and this is a Apex class controller. So in the LWC component, I created table. In the table, I divided two parts. First here, I am mentioning in the header section. So in the header section, I am mentioning name, lead source, stage name, account name, and description. In the next TR, I am using for each. So based on the loop, I will be display one by one all of the value based on the record ID of opportunity. So here I am using for each and for each display on the TR section of the table. Now let me go on the JavaScript file. Here you can see I created an API decorator variable. Here you can see I using @API decorator and @track decorator variable. So based on the @API decorator, this is a record ID. So based on this record ID, I will be get the current record ID of opportunity and will be display on the table format in HTML. So friends, first I am importing the controller and method name. Here you can see this is a controller name, this is a method name. So in the method name, if you check on the Apex class controller, here I created a list of opportunity. So here I am getting list of opportunity record. And if you check on the here I am passing ID. So based on this record ID, I am getting the current record of opportunity and returning here. So this controller method I am importing in the JavaScript file here. And here you can see I am using a method get info. In the bracket, I am passing two parameter error and data. So if any kind of issue error during the fetching the data, it will be displayed on the error part. And if data successfully retrieved from the Apex class controller, then it will be displayed in the data section. In the data section, you can see this dot opp item array. So this is an array type variable I created as a try. So here I am storing all of the record that is coming from the Apex class controller as a JSON format. So here you can see JSON.parse and inside the bracket JSON.stringify and data. So here I am using JSON.parse, that means it will be converted from JSON to a string format, and in the bracket JSON.stringify, that means it will be displayed as an object format in JavaScript. So first I converted a string to object and object to a string. And here I am returning data that is coming from Apex class controller. And in the HTML file, based on the for each, I am displaying all of the record value that is coming from the Apex class controller. And here will be display one record because based on the record ID of opportunity, here I am displaying current record value based on the opportunity record. So here you will be get one record of opportunity. Now let me call this LWC component to the Salesforce page. So now go to the Salesforce. because I am querying list of opportunity object. So first, let me open one record of the opportunity. Let me open take W3 wave first. Then go to the gear icon, edit the page, and here I will be called my LWC component. So my LWC component name is Fetch Record ID LWC. So go to the Salesforce, search here Fetch Record ID LWC. This is my LWC component. Simply drag and drop here and save. Go back. Here you can see one record fetching successfully based on the record ID of opportunity. So based on this opportunity record, I am displaying one record of opportunity through Apex Class Controller and LWC component. So this LWC component I calling here, and you can see one record display. So this is a name take W3 wave. This is a record of opportunity. Same record I am displaying here. Friends, if you want to soft copy code of all files, check on description of this video. In the description of this video, I will provide live demo scenarios link so that you can simply copy and paste to create functionality in your personal org. And you will be save lot of time, energy and effort. Friends, you can also schedule a meeting with me. I will provide schedule meeting link in the description of this video. If you are stuck in any kind of issue during development, schedule meeting with me. I will help you to resolve the issue. You will be get schedule meeting link in the description of this video. You can schedule meeting with me as per your availability date and time. Thank you.